Welcome back to my channel. So you seen the last video, and the last video was quite different. For this video, I'm going to be doing full face of eyeshadow, like on my full face. Okay, so I'm gonna just like start on the e.l.f. Mineral Infused face primer. I'm just gonna do the primer, the foundation, and the concealer. I'm gonna go in with like the eyeshadow on my face. And the primer, I'm going to put it all over my face. Oh, I kind of forgot about the headband. I don't want any like hair on my face. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with the primer and I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Now I'm going to get my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in shade Alabaster. I'm just gonna put it on my hand. And I'm gonna take my J2 HD liquid foundation and I'm just gonna put it on my hand as well. And I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna like mix it. Now I'm going to take my foundation brush by Ellen Tracy. I'm going to apply it on my face. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and I'm just going in shade Fair Warm, and I'm just going to put it on my hand again. And I'm going to mix it in with the HD Concealer and Foundation by Kiss in shade Pork Clean. Now I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow stuff. Okay, so for contour, I'm gonna be using my Daisy Fuentes eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna be using this shade right here. It looks like light brown. I'm gonna take my powder brush by Ellen Tracy. Okay, now I'm gonna be using my nose contour brush by Ellen Tracy again. And I'm gonna dip in with the two colors, again, the same colors that I used for the contour. I'm just going to use it for my nose. I'm gonna be using my beauty blender again. I'm just going to like fix harsh lines. Now I'm gonna take my nose contour brush and I'm just going to put it under my mouth just to make my mouth a little bit bigger when I apply the lipstick. Okay, now for powder, I'm gonna take this shade right here. That's what it looks like. Okay, so now for blush, I'm going to be using the Ruby palette by Kiss. This is how it looks like. Okay, I'm going to be using this shade right here. I'm gonna put it on the bridge of my nose, right here. My forehead. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using the um, Love Me Bling It On by Kiss. It has 40 colors, how it looks like. I'm gonna be using this for my brows. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade right over here. Right over here. I'm gonna like mix these two colors together. Okay, now we're gonna start with the eyeshadow, but before the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the 26 color eyeshadow by Malibu Glitz. How it looks like, this is how the palette looks like. This is the inside. Has like neutral kind of colors. And I'm gonna be using this white shade right over here. Now finally I'm gonna start with the eye. I'm gonna be using the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm just like going in with like more like bronze look. I'm using this like yellowish shade right here. It's like a dark yellow. I'm gonna be using this palette that I used for my brows. I'm gonna use like this light brown right here. Right over here. And I'm gonna take this color that I used for my brow right here. I'm going to put it under the color. And now I'm just going to apply here under the color that I used for my brow. But you just gotta trust the process. You're not even done yet, so I'm gonna wait until I'm done. But anyways, I'm gonna take black shade, this black color right over here.
What we do here is go back.
I'm gonna be using this palette right here by Kiss. I'm gonna use the shade Provoactive. I don't know how to say it, but this shade right here. This one's more pigmented, and I like it too. And I'm gonna be using this concealer flat brush by Ruby Kisses. Just like going to put it right over here. Let me just like give you a tip of cutting a crease. When you have like small eyelids, you have to just like do this. You can see where your eyeball is, and then you just like straight up put like the brush, and then you follow like where your eyelid actually is, like the line of your eyelid, and that's it. Put it here, like that. See? Like when you put it like right over here, some concealer, when you do that, there's like, it's gonna show you exactly where to put the concealer. And you're just like going to follow it. I'm gonna take this palette right here. And it's by Malibu Glitz. It has like 35 colors in it. This is how it looks like from the outside. Right here, and this is from the inside. It has all shimmers, just a little bit of matte colors in there. And I'm gonna like pick a really nice golden shade, like this golden color. I love this shade. It's really, really pigmented. And I'm gonna take the shade that I showed you, the golden shade. And I'm gonna take like a lighter golden color, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here on top of that golden color. And I'm gonna be using the shade right over here. It's like a nice, like a brownish golden color. I'm gonna use this same palette, and I'm gonna use the same black shade. Okay, so since we're not using any eyeliner or anything, I'm just going to put it just like a little bit. And I'm gonna take this dark brown right here next to it that I use for my contour as well. Okay, now I'm gonna take a the same like eyeshadow palette that I used for this black color. I'm just going to take this like nice angled brush, black shade. I'm going to take this brush right here. I'm just going to blend black. Curler lashes. So I'm going to curl my lashes. Now I'm going to take my ION Fat Lash Volumizing Mascara. I'm going to move in with the lashes. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Lash Queen by Smoke and Mirrors. That's how it looks like. I'll use that one. I'm gonna put on the ION Fat Lash mascara. Lashes. A contour. I'm gonna take this powder brush. These two colors right here. That one, that one. I'm just gonna mix it together. I'm just gonna use this palette again, and I'm gonna go in with this thing, like this color. I think it looks really nice. The one that I use right here. I'm gonna take this brush. I'm gonna put on the Milani Make It Last spray. Right. Now I'm gonna do the lips, and for the lips, I'm going like for a brownish lip color. I'm gonna use this for my lip liner. I'm gonna use this color right here. this light brown right over here. And I'm gonna take my Sephora Pro. It's a highlighter, like a lip gloss. I'm just gonna use this. Make it look really nice. And I use like this clear color right here. And I'm gonna take this is basically an eye brightener, but I use this for lips. I think it's way better. Okay, so finally, we are actually done. But the last step, you all know what the last step is. Setting spray. I'm gonna use my Milani Make It Last setting spray. And I'm just going to put it on. And we're just gonna like set everything up. I'm just going to pat it with this beauty sponge. And this is the final look. Let me just take this off. Finally. I think it looks really, really nice. Okay, so this is the final look. This is how it looks like. I'm actually really, really proud of it. And it did take some time. It's actually really, really hard to just like put eyeshadow all over your face, you know, like only using eyeshadow. But the only thing I use is lip gloss for my lips. It was literally intense. I worked really hard. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And please subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell button so you get notified every time I make a video, you know? And by the way, thanks for watching. Bye!
Back.